So let's go to test yourself to have a look at question number 1. The radius of a circle is 8 centimeters and the length of one of its chord is 12 centimeters. Find the distance of the chord from the center. So clearly we need to understand in that question what I am given. So radius of the circle given. First one we can draw the circle. This is a circle. So radius how much given? 8 centimeters. So r equals to 8 centimeters. Radius. The length of the one of its chord is 12 centimeters. Find the distance of the chord from the center. So clearly we need to understand. So this is a center O, okay. This is a O, center of the circle. So what I mentioned here, the radius of circle 8 centimeters and the length of the one of its chord is 12 centimeters. So clearly we need to understand here, let us take an AB is a chord, 12 centimeters, length 12 centimeters, AB length 12 centimeters given. So find the distance of the chord from the center. So question what I am asking, distance from the center to chord. So this is M. So clearly we need to understand, already explained the theorems. So we know that perpendicular from the center of the chord bisects the chord. That means here AM equals to MB. Clearly we need to understand, we know that perpendicular from the center of the chord bisects the chord, already explained, AM equals to MB. So clear what I am asking, distance between the chord from the center. So OM asking at final, but clearly we need to understand AB length how much given here, AB equals to 12 centimeters given. So that means AM 6 centimeters. So MB also 6 centimeters. By using the property perpendicular from the center of the chord bisects the chord. So total AB 12 centimeters given, AM equals to here MB equal to each one 6 centimeters. Am I clear? So clearly perpendicular means it's make 90 degree. So this is called radius. Here OA is a radius. Radius how much given here? 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. But question what I am asking? OM. So in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, AMO or OMA, AMO. So according to Pythagoras law, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. That means AM square plus MO square equals to OA square. So AM value you know that 6 square plus MO you don't know, that will be asking at final. MO is a distance between center to chord, whole square equal to OA 8, that is a radius 8 square. So 6 square value 36 plus MO square equals to 64. Therefore MO whole square equal to 64 minus 36. 64 minus 36, 28. Therefore MO equals to root over 28. It can be written 2 root 7. So 2 root 7 centimeters is the required answer. So what is the distance of the chord from the center? Answer is 2 root 7, because root 28 nothing but it can be written as 4 into 7. The square root of 4 2 into root 7. So this is a required answer. 2 into root 7 is the distance between center to chord. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 2. Determine the length of the chord, which is a distance of 12 centimeters from the center of a circle of radius 13 centimeters. So question what I mentioned here. Determine the length of the chord, which is a distance of 12 centimeters from the center of a circle of radius 13 centimeters. So clearly we need to understand in that circle, so it is a center. So determine the length of the chord. So let us draw the one chord. AB is a chord. So a distance 12 centimeters center of the chord. So this is a perpendicular line. The distance is how much given? D equals to 12 centimeters. Am I clear? and also given radius of the circle. Radius means OA. OA is a radius. Radius how much given? 13 centimeters. But question what I am asking? So AB length. So determine the length of the AB. That means chord. AB here, AB is the chord. So clearly we need to understand, we know that this is a perpendicular line. Am I clear? Perpendicular line from the center of the chord bisects the chord. That means it will be considered as M. So AM equals to, here AB nothing but what? AB equals to AM plus MB. Clearly we need to understand. So this is a perpendicular line. That means at in a triangle AMO, so at M equals to 90 degree. That means it is a right angle triangle. So clearly we need to understand, in a right angle triangle AMO or AMO, according to Pythagoras law, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. That means AM whole square plus MO whole square equal to AO square. So you don't know AM square, MO value, MO nothing but distance 12 square, OA is a radius 13 square. So therefore AM whole square plus this is 12 square nothing but 144 equals to 169. So it will be gives AM whole square equals to, therefore AM whole square equal to 169 minus 144, 25. Therefore AM equals to square root of 25 nothing but 5 centimeters. So AM nothing but so AM equals to 5 centimeters, MB also 5 centimeters, because so this is a perpendicular line drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. Bisect means AM equals to MB. So therefore question what I am asking, AB value, AB equals to AM plus MB. AM value already got 5 centimeters, MB also 5 centimeters. So total 10 centimeters. This is required answer. Am I clear? So AM 5 centimeters and similarly, so MB also 5 centimeters. Bisect means AM equals to MB. So OM bisects AB, that means AM equals to MB. AM equals to MB. AM equals to MB equal to 5 centimeters. Am I clear? So question what I am asking? So length of the chord, that means AB length, AB equals to AM plus MB. So 5 plus 5, 10 centimeters is required answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 3. The length of a chord of a circle is 4 centimeters. If its distance from the center is 1.5 centimeters, so determine the radius of the circle. So clearly we need to understand in that question what I am given. This is a circle. Circle contains center O. Let us draw the circle with center O. The length of the chord of a circle 4 centimeters given. So this is a chord, AB is a chord, length how much given? 4 centimeters. So AB equal to 4 centimeters. And also given if the distance from the center is 1.5. So this is OM, 1.5 is the distance between center to chord. That means OM is a 1.5, but determine the radius of the circle. Question what I am asking, radius, nothing but here OA is a radius as well as OB also radius. So OA is a radius. Am I clear? So radius means center to any point on circumference is called radius. So here OA is a radius. So clearly we need to verify it. So this is a OM is a we know that perpendicular from center to chord bisects the chord. That means so at M this is a 90 degree forms, here 90 degree forms at M. So AM equals to, clearly we need to understand AM equals to MB, because this is a perpendicular line OM bisects the chord. That means AM equals to MB. So in a right angle triangle, AMO, according to Pythagoras law, AM square, side square plus side square, nothing but AM square plus MO square equals to AO square. So here AO is a radius. AM value, so clearly we need to understand AB is a 4 centimeters. So nothing but AM 2 centimeters as well as MB also 2 centimeters. Bisect means AM equals to MB. Here AB nothing but it can be written AM plus MB, because the perpendicular from center to chord bisects the chord. That means AM plus MB. AM plus MB. This is MB. So each one AM equals 2 centimeters, MB also 2 centimeters. So AM value here, AM equals to 2 centimeters, nothing but 2 square plus MO. MO 1.5 centimeters, nothing but 1.5 whole square equal to AO, nothing but R, that is a R square. So AO is a radius of the circle. So 2 square value 4 plus 1.5 whole square, nothing but 2.25 equal to R square. So what is the total addition? Therefore R square equal to 6.25. Therefore R equals to 2.5, that is a 25 whole square, nothing but 2.5 centimeter. That is the radius of the circle. Am I clear? Here OB also radius, okay. So radius are equal. Let's go to question number 4. Two chords AB and CD of a length 5 centimeters, 11 centimeters respectively of a circle are parallel. If the distance between AB and CD is 3 centimeters, find the radius of the circle. So what I am given in that question? So here this is a circle, okay. Two chords AB and CD lengths given 5 centimeters, 11 centimeters respectively of a circle are parallel. So AB and CD are parallel. So AB length how much given here? So AB is a chord that length is 5 centimeters. So AB equal to 5 centimeters. And one more chord also given, CD. CD is 11 centimeters. CD is 11 centimeters. And also given the AB, here AB is parallel to CD. Am I clear? So if the distance between AB and CD, so AB and CD distance also given how much? 3 centimeters. But question what I must find the radius of the circle. So it is a center of the circle O. So question what I am asking, radius of the circle. So clearly we need to understand. So it is called radius. OA is a radius as well as OC also radius. Clearly we need to understand this is a center. Center to any point on circumference is called radius. Here OA is a radius as well as OC also radius. Am I clear? Yes, question what I am asking, radius. Radius of the circle. So clearly we need to understand. So this is a perpendicular line. This is a perpendicular line drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. That means here it can perpendicular means so let us given that name. So this is M. This is M. It is a N. Okay, right. So it is a 90 degree here also at N also 90 degree, because perpendicular OM is a perpendicular line drawn from center to chord bisects the chord, meaning nothing but AM equals to MB. Here CN equals to ND. So clearly AM value how much? Total 5 centimeters given here. Total AB value 5 centimeters. What is the half of the value? 2.5, 2.5. So this is 2.5. It is also 2.5. And CD total 11, nothing but CN equal to ND, bisects the chord, nothing but CD value 5.5, half of the value 5.5, it is also 5.5, ND equals to 5.5. So bisects means CN equal to ND, here AM equals to MB, total AB length 5 centimeters given, AM equal to 2.5, MB 2.5. So CD length 11 centimeters given, so clearly CN equal to ND, half of the value, nothing but 5.5, 5.5. But question what I am asking, radius. So here OA and OC are radius. Am I clear? OA and OC. OC are radius of the circle. Radius. So radii, okay. So clearly we need to understand. So what I am taken here, two triangles are obtained here. So what is first triangle? AMO as well as CNO. So we can find the first, but you don't know MN, between the two chords length 3 centimeters given, MN, but NO you don't know, it will be considered as X centimeters. X centimeters. So NO. So what I am taken here? So between NO, X centimeters. So clearly we need to understand in a triangle, it is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, AMO, according to Pythagoras law, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square, nothing but. So clearly we need to understand AM square, that is a side, another side MO square equals to AO square. So AM value, AM 2.5 whole square plus MO 3 plus X whole square. So MO means what? MN plus NO 3 plus X total length. MO length 3 plus X whole square equal to AO square. So AO is a radius, let me take an R, that is R square. So AO and nothing but AO and OC are radius, nothing but AO equal to R as well as OC also R centimeters. Radius. Am I clear? So it will be considered equation 1. So another triangle in a right angle triangle CNO, according to Pythagoras law, CN square plus NO square equal to OC square, nothing but OC square or CO square. According to Pythagoras law, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. In a triangle CNO, right angle triangle CNO, side CN square, another side NO square equal to CO square. So CN value 5.5 whole square plus NO value X square equal to CO. What is CO value? Radius R square. So it is equation 2. From 1 and 2, we will get X value first. So what is equation 1? 2.5 whole square. From equation 1 and 2. So what is equation 1? 2.5 whole square. 2.5 whole square plus 3 plus X whole square equal to R square. So equation 1 and equation 2 R square are equal. So it can be written equals to 5.5 whole square plus X square. Equation 1, equation 2 R square equal, okay. 2.5 whole square plus 3 plus X whole square equals to 5.5 whole square plus X square. So 2.5 whole square value 6.25 plus this is 3 plus X whole square according to A plus B whole square formula, A square 3 square 9 plus B square X square plus 2AB 6X 2 into 3 into X equals to 5.5, nothing but 30.25. 5.5 whole square value 30.25 plus X square. So X square cancel. X square cancel. So which one is left? So 6.25 plus 9 value total 15.25 plus 6X equals to 30.25. Therefore 6X equals to, so 30.25 minus 15.25. So 6X equals to 30.25 minus 15.25 value 15. Therefore X equals to 15 by 6. Nothing but 5 by 2. So X value 5 by 2. X value what I am getting? 5 by 2. Nothing but 2.5. But question what I am asking? Radius. So radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle, R value. So equation to 5.5 whole square plus X square equal to R square. So X value directly put in that equation 2, we will get R value directly. So what is equation 2? 5.5 whole square plus X square equals to R square. So what is the x value? Pi by 2 nothing but 2.5. X value 2.5. Am I clear? Pi by 2 nothing but 2.5, x value 2.5. So 5.5 whole square nothing but 5.5 whole square plus x square value nothing but 2.5 whole square equal to r square. 5.5 whole square 30.25 plus 2.5 nothing but 6.25 equal to r square. What is total? 36.25 equal to r square. 26.25 okay, 36.50 okay, total addition 30.25 plus 6.25 value 36.5, sorry, that is a 36.50 equal to r square. Am I clear? Therefore r can be written as, so it can be simplified it 365 by 100. 30.25 plus 6.25 value 36.5 equal to r square. So it can be written 36.5 can be written 365 by 10 equal to r square. So according to cancellation 5 sevens are 5 twos are 5 sevens are how much? 35, remainder 1 5 nothing but 3s are by 2. So therefore r equal to square root of 73 by 2. So this is the required answer. Radius of the circle equal to square root of 73 by 2. So clearly we need to understand x value 2.5. So this is equation 2. Okay. So x value directly put into that equation 2, we will get r value. 5.5 whole square plus 2.5 whole square equal to r square. 5.5 whole square 30.25. 2.5 whole square 6.25 equal to r square. So total 36.5 equal to r square. Therefore r equals to 73 by 2. How will you get 73 by 2? So 36.5 can be written 365 by 10. So it will give 73 by 2. 5 7s are 35. 1 5 nothing but 7 3s are 15. 5 2s are. So 73 by 2 r square. Therefore r equal to root over 73 by 2. Square root of whole root of 73 by 2, that is the radius of the circle. But this is a complicated question. So but we need to try that question and solve the equations. So you will get two equations first. You can solve these two equations. First one will need to get x value, and x value directly substitute in the equation 1 or 2, you will get r value. So that is a required steps for that question. Am I clear?